Hey everyone, this is Josh M's1234. I just
Hello.
wanted to show you a little bit about how setting a PS3 works.
Okay.
For those of you that have not gotten a broken system, lucky ones.
I know.
But yeah, I'm just going to show you. I got the box today. It was actually supposed to get here Friday. Today is Monday, November 30th. And it was actually delayed, which has been the first time it's ever gotten delayed for me. Because last time the box was actually here a day early. So, yeah. I'm going to rip this tape off. And so there you can see my PS3. It's all messed up internally. And yeah, when you open up the box, you'll see it has, first, before I go on, you can see there's my other box from last time and the time before that, right there. It's a pretty good stand. That's where I used to have the TV. If you see my video with the Mercenary Stew Platinum, that's where the TV was put. But what's pretty cool is I put up my N64. Playing the World Is Not Enough. Oh, my cover's not even straight. There you go. But yeah, I've just been playing that past couple days. Anyway, so when you open the box, this is what you'll see. Receipt. Or, sorry, that's not a receipt. That's a sticker to put back on the box. Just see some little things like that to protect it in transportation mode. And you'll see this little bag. And inside this bag there is this is the clear tape to put around the box when you send it. Let's see. And this is a service request form. You have to fill out certain things. Just has information, what not to send, don't send discs, how to send it. This is my third time sending it, so I'm an expert at this. Nothing really over there. Only thing you have to worry about is doing the correct service request number. And if there is a disc stuck inside, it's hard to see on it, but you can either put yes or no. I put yes last time because when I got the yellow light, my Call of Duty 4 disc was stuck inside. I got it back, as you saw in the last video, in a little case, and there were no scratches or anything, so they totally returned the disc, so don't worry about that at all. Yeah. So, yeah. Yeah, that's how it works. Fine, I'll show you guys me putting it away. Here's my saxophone. Try to get it to where you guys can see it. Excellent. Here's my shiny PS3. A little dusty though, because it's been broken. But woo! Look at that! Woo! Okay. And alrighty, got nothing stuck inside there. Just put the console back in like this. And yeah, so I can't believe my repair broke after 4 hours. It really sucks. Can't believe it. Crazy. Yep, just craziness. And but you know what? Because I used to be one of those people that, you know, I mean, I was one of them. I still am one of the many people that question the quality of Xboxes. You know, Microsoft, how the quality of their consoles and everything, how it gets the red rings, and it's like 50%, or not 50%, maybe like 30 to 50% or whatever failure rate on those. But I'm really starting to question the PS3, just the quality, as far as lasting a long time. Okay, there, it's all there snug. And you do not get your original console back. A lot of you have asked that, but you do not get your original console. You get a new refurbished one. And yeah, here. I'm just gonna take this out real quick. Got a little board right here. Okay. Shoot. I need the information. Goodness gracious. Okay. You can see from last time when I filled this out. Got to make sure. Good to go. Yeah, awesome. Okay, so they just ask you to do your full name. I'll put my full name. Josh James 1234. Okay. Primary phone number.
Blah, blah, blah.
Looks good. Reason for service. Blue screen of death. I just put blue error screen, settings, info's deleted after every restart. Is there a disk stuck inside the unit? No sir or ma'am. Serial number. Pop. Just making sure this is alright. Okay. I'll be right back. I gotta get some scissors. You need a flamethrower to open this box. A flamethrower, yep. There you go. That's the box. Not too hard. It sucks, you know, doing this whole system exchange thing, but you know, when you don't have your system, it's always good to go back to the classics. N64 over there. Yeah. Cool. So if you guys got any questions about the process, I'm not playing PS3, and I'm probably on the computer. So talk to me there. Yeah. If any questions, yeah, just ask there. So thanks for watching, and see ya.